y'all? It's Braylon, and today I'm coming with some shocking news. Before I even let y'all know what it is, don't be down in my comments showing out. Let's just put that disclaimer there. Don't go down there showing out, because let's not forget that this is my hair, not yours. So what I want to do is I want to let y'all know that I got a relaxer. I know that's shocking news, like shocking. So, like I said, it's my head. I got tired of my hair. I got stressed out. And I'm just like, you know what? I'm just about to throw a relaxer in this thing because I can't deal anymore. Y'all, I am just playing. This is a blowout. It's been blown out for 3 days. As you see, it is looking really puffy and it is like basically ready to turn back into an afro. But there was a little bit of truth in what I just said. I have been getting really tired of my hair and I've been getting really lazy and haven't really been doing much to it at all. So it's been stuck at this same length all year long because I haven't been doing anything to it. The only thing that I have been doing is getting protective styles all year long. Cornrows, box braids, Senegalese, Marley twists, you name it. I've been getting everything. Because I've been on this lazy stuff where I just like want to wake up and go. Don't want to do nothing to my head. Want somebody else to do it. And so I've been paying people to just throw some braids in it. And it hasn't really been treating my hair good. So it was time for me to get like a major trim. Like I needed my hair cut. And so I just decided to get a blowout when I was getting the haircut. I got my hair blown out by my sister Lala. I was not scared to get my hair blown out because this is my 3rd time getting it done. And each time I have gotten it done, when I would wash my hair, it would revert right back to an afro. You need to make sure that you are going to a professional or you will just ruin your natural hair, period. So, due to the fact that I was telling you guys that I haven't been doing anything to my head, I'm basically starting over. This blowout and trim is like a major milestone for me because what I'm about to do is actually take control back over my hair and do what I need to do to make sure that it is healthy, grows super huge, and gets super long because that's what I want. And I started this channel because there was not a lot of people out there telling the truth about natural hair. They was making it seem like this is going to be easy, cut all your hair off and just do it. And I wanted to be the person who tell you that this is not easy. And like I just told you, this is not easy. I've been at the same length all year long. Ends was damaged until I just got this blowout. And it was just a hot mess. So my goal is to like blow my hair out again in December. So what we on? We in August, September, October, November, December. So I'm gonna go on like a 4-month healthy hair journey because I'm in my natural journey, but I'm going on a 4-month healthy hair journey. I am hoping that y'all are going to join me on this healthy hair journey, and I want to share with you everything that I'm going to be doing over these next 4 months. And then I'm going to come back and get another blowout in 4 months so you can see like, have I made any progress? Number one, the first thing that I am going to do is I am still going to wear protective styles, but I'm going to make sure that they are low manipulation protective styles. So no cornrows, box braids, Senegalese, all that stuff. I'm just going to make sure that I have protective styles where it's not like pulling at my hair and like stressing my edges out. So I'm gonna still do like, you know, buns, stuff like that, that is not like pulling at my hair and thinning it out. The second thing that I'm gonna be doing is finger detangling. If y'all watch my videos, you see that I use my denim brush a lot. And so I'm doing that to like detangle my hair. I'm gonna try the finger detangle method out and try to like get rid of my denim brush, so I'm not, again, thinning my hair out and like having clumps and balls of hair come out every time I'm washing my hair and doing a style. The third thing that I am going to do is deep condition my hair at least 2 times a month. This year, I haven't really been deep conditioning my hair at all. I've literally have been washing and conditioning, like just washing it with some shampoo, throwing in a little bit of conditioner, and going about my business and putting my next protective style in. So I haven't been like deep conditioning and sitting under the dryer and then letting it like seep into my scalp. I haven't been doing it. So I don't know if y'all hear that thunder, but it's literally been raining 40 days and for 40 nights in Charlotte. So if y'all got an arc, let me join, because it's a lot going on over here. The fourth thing is I had my first protein treatment for the whole year 3 days ago. So I need to make sure that I am doing my protein treatments more frequently, because if I'm not, then my hair is becoming like elasticy in a sense and just breaking off. So the fifth thing, and this is my last point, is that I want to make sure that I'm getting my hair trimmed more frequently, because the first time I got my hair trimmed this year was February, and it's been 6 months and I'm just getting my second trim of the year. Like, I should not be doing that. And my styles look so much better when I have my ends trimmed and it's not all thin at the ends and looking crazy. So I hope that you guys have been taking care of your natural hair, even though I haven't been doing my best at taking care of mine. I'm going to have more videos, which is going to be like including like different styles I'm doing during this time and different products I'm using to take care of my hair. So please stay on the lookout for that. Also, let me know what type of videos you want to see during my 4-month healthy hair journey. Do a thumbs up. Like this if you like this blowout, even though it's looking a hot mess and it's been through the rain and storm and all of that, because this weather has been horrible in Charlotte. And just let me know what y'all are thinking in the comments. Let me know like how you are doing concerning your natural hair right now. Are you doing very good and your hair down your back? Or like, do you feel like giving up, and what are you going to do to like make sure that your hair stays healthy and that you make it through this journey? So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for like going through this healthy hair journey with me. And if you are actually going to do some of the tips that I'm going to be using for myself, let me know in the comments below. Or if you've already been doing some of this stuff and been seeing great results, let me know below. So bye y'all. I will see y'all next time in my next video. Bye. It's Braylon. It's Braylon.